everyone, Hannah here and welcome to this beautiful day at Venice Beach where we will be having our episode. You know me, I am always in the mood to shoot. If only there was a way we could get amazing shots with little to no effort. I think I have just the thing. So stay tuned to see how you can get 5 epic shots with zero effort and next to no editing. Without further ado, let's go. We are here at Venice Boardwalk, which is perfect for shot number 1, stop motion. A point to mention, for all of our creative shots today, we are going to be using the 360 mod, but this shot is super simple. All you need to do is literally walk in a straight line. Walk for at least 2 minutes and hold your selfie stick either semi-profile or completely profile. So let's see how it's done. As you can see here in local, we have downloaded the file. So next we just go to stories. This first one, stop motion, use theme. It will select the compatible footage. And then you're gonna select your target. So you just do it like this, okay? You just long press like this. And then it's going to load until it has detected the pose. Now we're downloaded, we are going to preview. And just like that, we've got our shot. So now that I've walked the Venice Boardwalk in record speed thanks to the stop motion effect, we're going to move on to our next 3 shots. For each of these shots, you're going to need 6 different locations. So whether you believe the earth is flat or it's round, it doesn't matter. We've got a shot for both. You probably don't understand why I just said that, so I'm going to show you. Let's go. This next effect allows you to jump around the world in just a matter of seconds. The Jump Planet. All you need to do is extend your selfie stick to 2 lengths, 360 mod, and simply jump like this. Our stabilization is better than ever, but try and keep it as steady as possible so the effect is consistent throughout the shots, and you get something like this. So our next shot is the flip, which is super easy to capture. All you need to do is hold your stick and move it in rotation like this. Is make sure you have an interesting background, whether that be cool patterns or colors, so it makes a nice contrast between shots. And you get something that looks like this. The bullet time is one of our oldest tricks, but with the launch of the 1R, we've stepped it up a level with the bullet time mix. All you got to do is do the regular bullet time motion in 6 different locations, then the AI will stitch everything together, level out the horizon, giving you an epic sequence. And to spice things up a little, 2 is always better than 1, so grab a friend, hold it in the center and rock it. Yeah. Oh. We're going to finish the day with one of the easiest yet, the auto time shift. So grab a friend and a furry friend and take a nice walk around the neighbourhood. Extend your selfie stick to full length and the auto time shift will select the frames for you and add some dynamic speed ramping to it, which makes a normal walk around your neighbourhood look pretty cinematic. So let's go for it. The sun has set here in LA and I hope you enjoyed this episode going over the 5 easiest creative shots that you can get to little or no effort. So now you have no excuse not to get creative with your 1 hour. Thanks again for watching. Comment below about what your favourite feature was. Give us a big thumbs up to spread some love and smash that subscribe button and ring the notifications so you don't miss our upcoming episodes. Thank you so much for watching again and I will see you for the next episode.